Can we manifest money in our lives? Can we use law of attraction and manifestation to bring our desired money flow and abundance into our lives? The answer is a big yes. After all, quantum physics confirms everything around us, including our own selves, is energy. If everything is energy, money also is energy. And energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Energy always was, always is, forever will be. This means every time that we spend money, we are also going to be putting in place an action to bring that money back into our lives. Newton's third law of motion says every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So, if you are someone who fears losing money, is insecure about money, or is constantly worried, where is all the money that I want going to come from? Please watch this video right up to the end. The first thing I want you to understand is that money being energy is not something that is going to diminish if you spend it. That does not mean that we don't work hard for money or that we don't plan how to make more money. It only means that we don't have to be fearing losing all the money all the time. What you need to do is change your attitude about money. Every time that you spend money, don't spend feeling bad that you are losing the money. Feel good about having the money to spend. Why? Because every time you spend, you are sending a message to your subconscious mind, I have enough, so I am spending this money. But if you feel bad about spending the money, you send a counter reaction to the subconscious mind. That counter reaction is, I don't feel I'm going to get the money back. Or maybe I will not bring the money back in my life. Or maybe it's too difficult for me to make money. My point is, if you want to make more money in your life, you have to examine your beliefs about money. If you're someone who feels that it is good to be honest, that it's good to be spiritual, but you're also someone who feels that spiritual people don't usually desire more money, then how will you attract more money if you yourself are spiritual? You have to examine every single belief, opinion about money going on in your own subconscious mind. Once you identify what these beliefs are, one by one, try to challenge those beliefs. Break down these beliefs into simple steps. The first step is write down what your belief is. The second step is to challenge this belief. Ask yourself, is this really true? Are honest people really some people who don't desire more money? Is it bad to ask for more money? Just because I want more money, does it mean I'm not a good person? If you challenge these beliefs, slowly you open your subconscious mind towards the idea that money is good. At the end of the day, remember, money is neither good nor bad. Money only makes you more of what you already are. So if you're a good person, you will do a lot of more good with more money coming into your life. So instead of repelling money or holding grudges against people who have more money, remember, if you bring more money into your life, you not only allow yourself and your family to lead a good life, you can also do a lot of good work with the money that is coming in. From today, challenge your beliefs about money and change your attitude. The second way to change your attitude about money, apart from challenging old beliefs, is remember to observe your feelings whenever money comes into your life. A lot of us may have certain targets for ourselves, certain amount of money you want to make every month. And a lot of people feel bad whenever they receive money. Why? Because they feel this is a very small amount. I should have made much more. If you do that, again, what happens is money, being energy, is listening, is feeling. It does not want to go to people who feel bad about money coming in. Whenever you receive money, appreciate that money. Whether it's money directly coming to you or it's money in any other form like a gift that someone has given you. Don't despise that gift. Accept it gracefully. Be happy about receiving whatever amount comes, because that sends a message to the subconscious mind that you want more and that you are ready to attract more. The third thing is, money is very shy. It always needs an exit door. That means, if you really are serious about attracting more money, you should be clear about how you are going to spend that money. You should have a plan ready. A lot of people say, I want to attract 1 crore. But when you ask them, what are you going to do with the money? they don't have an answer ready. Why? Because probably at the subconscious level, they don't expect to be receiving 1 crore. You don't want to be one of them, because then you will delay your money manifestation. Today itself, make a list of all the things you want to do with more money coming into your life. Be clear about how this money is going to be spent. Then you see how the subconscious mind opens up doors to bring you the right opportunities and resources to attract more money in abundance in your life. Another exercise that I recommend you to do on a daily basis is write a check for yourself. Decide how much money is important for you right now. Write a check, put your name, sign it on behalf of yourself, as if the universe is willing to give you this money. Keep this check with you, either under your bed or on your vision board. Look at this check as many times as possible in the day. What this will do is, it will let your subconscious mind know that you have declared that you deserve this money. In fact, the more you look at this check, the more the subconscious mind gets a message that you are already having this amount of money in your life. Remember, the subconscious mind thinks in pictures and images. If you look at an image over and over again, it will start to get so familiar with this image that it will start to match your reality with the essence of this focus. And remember, in this case, your focus will be more money. For that, decide how much money is important for you. Make a check in your name declaring this amount to be yours, and keep looking at this check. Why? Because what you focus on grows stronger in life. So you want to focus on this amount of money coming into your life. One more thing, which is a simple exercise, but it can actually start helping you draw more abundance in your life. That is making a list ready of all the ways your life has changed. All the ways you are living a better life today because of more money coming into your life. Let's say your objective is, or your goal is, to make 3 lakhs every month. Now that you are observing yourself making 3 lakhs, as if you're already making it, make a list of all the things you would have done if you would have received that amount of money. Maybe you would have paid off a loan. Maybe you would have bought something for your house. My point is simple. Think of ways your life has changed because of the money coming into your life. If you do the simple exercise every day, even 4 to 5 points you give yourself every day as to how your life has changed with this money coming into your life, your subconscious mind gets a clear message that you are ready to attract this money. Most importantly, when you think of how your life has changed, you are raising your vibration to the level you would have actually taken it had you actually attracted the money. The simple exercise will go a long way in breaking past belief systems and patterns pertaining to money. Hidden mental blockages can be broken with this exercise. Every day before you sleep, ways of how this money is changing your life. At least 3 or 4. And every day give yourself some new answers as to how your life is getting better and better with more and more money coming into your life. The last thing that is very important for us to keep in mind, that patience and consistency are both keys. It is no different with the money goal manifestation. Whatever you want requires you to be consistent with the practices. Any time that you feel, oh, this may not be working, remind yourself, you're going to give yourself at least 3 to 4 months to raise your money energy. The reason why I'm insisting 3 to 4 months is because it takes some time for belief systems to break. You cannot expect to do the work for 4 to 5 days and say, manifestation for money is not working for me. So you have to be patient, you have to be consistent, and you have to be joyful. This means try and stay in a good mood and vibration if you want to attract more money. Why? Money loves coming to people who are joyful. You want to invite money to come into your life, just as you invite a guest into your house. Make sure that you are in that good vibration. Send good vibes to people. Stop criticizing people with more money. Stop bothering about people who you don't like. Because if you spend your energy there, you invest your energy in that direction, you bring your own energy down, and then money will not want to come to you happily, quickly, and easily. If you enjoyed this video, then do subscribe to this channel. Stay connected with me here for more videos on money manifestation. Thank you. God bless. Namaste.